Hello, my name is Kavan Salas. I'm with Innovative Eco-Wash Solutions. And this is Tino, my truck operator. We're out of Albuquerque, New Mexico.
Starting a new commercial and residential trash bin cleaning service is a way for us to help clean up our city and create new jobs in our state.
What we were looking for when shopping to find the right truck was a dependable and reliable truck that can handle the workload that we are anticipating when we get back to our home city. Eco-Wash Industries is the one who provided the best service and the most reliable truck throughout shopping for other competitors. What we expect from Eco-Wash Industries is a backbone of support when it comes to future growth within the industry. I feel that Eco-Wash Industries has supported us in the purchase of our first truck, and they will continue to support us with additional trucks that we add to our fleet. We would come back, of course, purchase another truck from Eco-Wash Industries. This is our first truck that we're starting off in Albuquerque, and we continue to grow. Our second truck should be purchased by February. Anybody that wants to start in this industry needs to understand that it's not an overnight millionaire business. You have to hit the street, hard work, dedication, and you will see the end result.